Okay.
Oh, Bonnie!
Hey, stop dragging your ass on there. I lay there.
Murphy's gonna get it. Perfect.
Stop. Good night.
Selling weapons to
You gotta read them.
A boo 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 de boo boo, a boo 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 lee boo, a boo 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 de boo boo, a boo 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 lee doo. Come on.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel!
Nala, what the fuck are you doing?
What is he doing?
Why you hiding? Why you in that bag? Oh my.
This my crash out right here. Hey Milo, get her. Go get her. Get her. My young crash out.
Good morning. Good morning.
Bubbles. Bubbles, I love you. I love you, Bubbles. I love you. You said love you? Yeah.
Can you roll, roll, roll? Can you roll, roll, roll? Can you roll? Can you roll, roll, roll?
You want cheese?
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
So I've been doing it yet, dummy. Oh, sorry.
What's the most random thing that triggers your dog?
dog, then tell me why we're sitting exactly the same.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Okay, somebody's fucked. Oh, yep.
Excuse me, it's been about 5 minutes since I've last gotten attention.
Gosh!
I would like some more.
Este hermoso campeonato interregional. Muchas gracias a todos y cada uno de ustedes. Se va con la pelota. La juega la pelota por el sector derecho. Toca pelota. A pierna derecha.
You guys, good job. Go get it.
Wolfie, what are you doing?
Oh man, what did you do? Did you get the tea? Oh man.
Can I show them your favorite toy, please? Yeah, he's not gonna let me show y'all, but.
Are you gonna burp? Oh my god.
Funny. Hi. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Are you so happy to?
Really? That's a stop sign.
I'm so tired, Mommy. I'm so tired. I can't help it.
You say mama. 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 Say I love you.
I guess that water bottle comes in handy, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think, Brian? What do you think about the beach?
This is a good girl. Oh my god, you're so cute.
She's so cute.
Lacey, can you give me paws? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Such a baby. Paws?
Bella, you can't bring in squirrel feet.
Are you freaking kidding me? Go put the squirrel back. I'm gonna throw up.
Como se portó mal. Está castigada, señorita. Diciendo, ¿qué hice?
Smell.
Pero ¿por qué le hace así? Y la Chuli no le hace nada. Le pega como la...
Do you like blueberries? Are they good for the babies? They make babies live long time? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sir, you're in my spot. You don't care? Why are you sleeping?
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. See? Just bite it. Gentle.
Hugo. Okay, so where are you getting ice cream cones from? Where are you hiding them?
Ready?
I'm watching.
Somebody hasn't gotten up after cuddling mommy this morning. Toto? Toto. You're too much. I got your butt. I got your butt. I got your butt. Go. Okay.
Yeah.
And it. Come. Spin. You guys having a hard morning over there.
When you think you can talk back to your mom, and then your dad pulls up.
My wipes over there. Let me get the paper towels. Let me get the...
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah,
well, would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on that.
No.
Hey. Hey. Yeah, I'm talking to you. When are you gonna behave? Oh my god!
Anybody don't like the way I do or what I do, fuck them, is what I say about it. I mean, you can put that on the tape and short nationwide. I don't give a goddamn.
Drink it. No. 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 Oh my god, Bo. Yeah, I'm here, Dad.
Go.
I would like it to be closed. You are.
Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, I just gotta be honest, I don't know what the big deal is.
Get out.
Pancake always waits for the last cans to get put away here so that she can get the box. So we're almost done.
She saw him on the news.
Don't be weird. Don't be weird. Be normal. Be normal. Maggie, be normal.
Get the kitty. He's my butt off.
You feeling me? What? Come on, fold your things up.
Why are you like this?
Damn it.
Oh, shit, fuck! Tell Mama about it. Why? Are you tired? Did you have a long day? Really?
Okay, so we just got back. I literally just took you on a vacation. Pepper? Okay. Come on. I need to order a coffee.
Ew.
You're a silly goose. Did I do that right?
Глаз котика.
Turn off when it's here.
Look at that nerd. Nerd. Why are you looking at me like that for?
Pizza. No. Come on. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Go on. Right. And kitchen privileges revoked.
Barney, what's happened? Okay. Say me about your problem.
What you doing, bruh? What you doing? Come on.
I'm tired.
All right, let's roll.
Should we go for a walk? Yee!
What's you eating there?